So about a dozen years ago, I did a painting. Well, I did a lot of paintings a dozen years ago, but I just want to show you this one. I really liked it, and I wanted to revisit it at some point in the future. Today is that point in the future. It is the one on your right, obviously. You can see that okay. I liked it. I liked the warm colors. I liked the general view. But I thought I'd like to revisit it. There were things about it that I thought, I'd like to do that again. I'd like to add some things and maybe delete some things. So, this is it. Just a messy charcoal thing so far. As you can see, I draw things in, I smudge them, wipe them out, draw things in, wipe them out again. Some of the lines are right the first time, but not many. I have kind of a, should I zoom in on this a little bit maybe? There we go. If this were just to be left as a line drawing, something would bother me, and that is that this does this and it's repeated here-ish. Not a big deal. I can balance this off quite a bit. The sky is all ethereal. This is all sky. I can work with the sky to flip-flop the lines. I can do all kinds of things. Even the water. You can use the water to to help. To help fix problems that are elsewhere in the painting. So nothing serious so far. I love it. I think I'm going to have a log, maybe a rotting log in here somewhere. Maybe some very close leaves of a plant that are basically shadow to occupy this space. Haven't decided yet how I'm going to manage down here, but we'll figure it out pretty quickly. All right. Actually, maybe I'll leave the painting down there. Been standing for the bulk of it so far. And maybe I'll have a seat now. But I've already been playing with this thing for, my goodness, I'll bet you I've got 4 hours into just the drawing so far. And it's still a very basic drawing. But the top half is pretty much done. I'm not going to draw in the water really. Don't need to. Not going to draw in the sky. Don't need to. I can just work with that as it goes. Might put one more horizontal line in the water just to indicate perspective. And so this is the only space still that I have to occupy with. I'd like to have something major and of consequence, but it'll have to be something that I don't want too much attention paid to because it is at the bottom of the painting. And then we'll just support it with some types of foliage or a stick or something in the foreground. Anyway, that's where we're at so far. See you soon, guys. We'll get back to you once we are painting in the lines or have them painted in. We'll see. It's a lot of prep work on something like this before you get to the final painting. The plan is it's going to be a brush painting. See you soon.